Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over SHIBA INU. So SHIB right now is trading at 1116. I'm not going to count how many zeros that we have. 24-hour volume, we are up 25%, and market cap, we are up 0.92%. All right, so heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go over our daily chart and then immediate short term here for 2 hours for you. But if we can take a look here on our daily chart here, you guys, which is really good to see SHIB come back up. However, I do have a few areas of concern. So one of my concerns here is how small and minimal the body ranges are getting. So we can see that the range of a few of these candlesticks are very high wick candles and very low wick candles here. It's very, very big of these ranges, which essentially just means, the candlestick at the very wick at the top and the bottom. So these are ranges here, and the body itself are getting very, very small, but most importantly, they are observed in the middle of the candlestick, which is a either spinning top candlestick chart pattern or a doji candlestick. And normally these guys show a lot of equalism for the bears and the bulls. So it doesn't really show us a lot of pressure for the bulls or the bears. And essentially one side is going to break out and take advantage of the market, which does put me on pins and needles, because essentially we are gradually making a lot of lower highs in this current uptrend. But what we can see here is that we are getting rejected a lot on our 20 moving average. Again, one of the characteristics it does show is that it is a resistance turned into a support. So when the price is challenged at one of our moving averages, we do want to see and observe if the chances likelihood of us closing above, because if it does close above or below, it does change the course of the trend itself. And as we can see, the trend is well below our 20 moving average, which is this bear trend or downtrend. As soon as we can challenge our 20 moving average and close above it, it's going to change the direction of that trend from a bear market into a bull market. However, again, my concern is that the bars here and the candlestick bodies are getting smaller and smaller. So long as we can be able to create a lot of higher low peaks, we're still in that challenging phase of coming up and retesting our 20 moving average, which we have seen already today, achieving a high of 1137. Now, if we take a look at our few indicators here on a daily time frame, we are still considered to be overbought because we are over the 80% threshold of our RSI indicator. However, we don't see that crossover of these two lines. Typically, we see a crossover. It shows us a selling opportunity may present itself. But if we take a look here at the course of this peak of interest, it's only a matter of time we open up this body to see if the bulls are wanting to push and challenge this price again. If we don't see an increase of this body, or essentially in the bodies to come in the future, because this is a daily time frame, then the likelihood of us challenging and breaking above this 20 MA is non-existent at all. So those are a few things that I want you guys to observe on a daily chart to make sure that we do hold on this uptrend of making a lot of lower highs, but most importantly, taking a look at which side may actually prevail, if it's the bulls or if it's the bears. Now, going into immediate short term for 2 hours here, I'm going to show you a few retracement levels. The reason why I say retracement levels is because here our RSI is at 49% and continuing to come down, as we can see that the D line is very, very far away from it. So long as these lines are further away from it, the trend itself is going to continue in this trend. For the RSI, it's going as a downtrend. Not only that, we see the pressure of the previous candle action too. The body itself of this candlestick was mainly below the 50% level, so we are going to see some selling pressure. Now, again, with our moving averages, we saw really good support around here, and that we got support from our trend line that again is creating a lot of higher low peaks. As the trend itself is going to be challenged in the next couple of hours, we may see ourselves holding support once again around the 111161 area, which is around our trend line itself. What we do see and observe that our MACD indicator is getting lighter in color, and this does measure momentum. So it may come from the green to the red at an area of interest. And if it does flick from the green to the red, then we may not hold this area of support and may retrace down to our next area of retracement at 110427 if you see it there. Now, another area of support that we don't see from our fib is this line here, right around here. So 1107 is the other line of support before price even retraces down to the 38%. Already you can see a few candlesticks here held on to support and a few candlesticks here on Sunday that was holding it as a resistance line finally broke above it. So this area is going to be our next course of action of support. If not, we're going to be relying on our fib chart. So that is my insight here for Shiba Inu. Let me know what you guys think down below. You're going to really help me if you like this video and like my insights that I have to share today. Also, if you're new, subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.